Are you tired of eating the same old unhealthy foods every day? Well, it's time to revamp your diet with these 15 healthy food swaps. Swap out your sugary breakfast cereal for a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries. It's a delicious way to start your day, and it's packed with fiber and nutrients. Instead of reaching for a bag of potato chips, grab a handful of air-popped popcorn. It's a crunchy and satisfying snack that's much lower in calories and fat. Say goodbye to sugary soda and hello to infused water. Simply add your favorite fruits and herbs to a pitcher of water for a refreshing and healthy alternative. Trade in your white bread for whole grain bread. It's higher in fiber and nutrients, making it a better choice for your sandwiches and toast. Ditch the sugary sports drinks and opt for coconut water instead. It's naturally hydrating and packed with electrolytes to keep you refreshed during workouts. Instead of mayonnaise, use mashed avocado on your sandwiches and burgers. Avocados are full of healthy fats and provide a creamy texture to your favorite meals. Swap out your greasy French fries for some oven-baked sweet potato fries. They're crispy, delicious, and much lower in fat and calories. Instead of using creamy salad dressings, try a drizzle of balsamic vinegar or a squeeze of lemon juice. It's a lighter and healthier way to add flavor to your salads. Trade in your regular pasta for zucchini noodles. They're a fantastic low-carb alternative that can be used in all your favorite pasta dishes. Say goodbye to store-bought cookies and hello to homemade energy balls. They're a tasty and nutritious snack packed with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Instead of reaching for a bag of candy, grab a piece of dark chocolate. It's rich in antioxidants and satisfies your sweet tooth with less sugar. Swap out your regular ice cream for frozen yogurt or sorbet. They're lighter options that still satisfy your cravings for something sweet and cold. Ditch the sugary breakfast syrup and opt for pure maple syrup or honey. They're natural sweeteners that add a delicious touch to your pancakes and waffles. Instead of using processed sauces, make your own with fresh herbs, garlic, and olive oil. It's a healthier and more flavorful way to enhance your favorite dishes. Say goodbye to fried meats and hello to grilled or baked options. They're lower in fat and calories, but still taste delicious and satisfying. Thanks for watching this video on 15 healthy food swaps. Remember, making these small changes can have a big impact on your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on living a healthy lifestyle.